How to change bubbles to Chathead. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can change bubbles to Chathead or simply enable Chatheads on Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that your Messenger application is updated to its latest version. To check that, open in Play Store and in the search bar, tap in the search icon from the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for Messenger. If the application is missing out any updates, you will have update button where I have opened. Simply tap on update once the update is complete. Now, in order to change bubbles to Chathead, first of all, head over to your settings in your mobile device. Tap on the search bar and search for display. From here, scroll down a bit and go for display over other apps. And again, tap on display over other apps. Here you have to look for Messenger. Tap on Messenger and make sure this toggle is turned on that says allow display over other application. Once you have done that, you can close this. Now open up Messenger in your device. And make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're here, tap on the three line from the top left corner. And now tap on the settings icon from the top right. Here scroll down a bit and under preference, there is a Chatheads option. If you have toggled that off, you have to make sure to toggle it on once it turns into blue. So, when someone messages you in your Messenger, your Chatheads will appear in your mobile interface or a bubble will appear. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.